Welcome to Simon's Random Tips. Today is a video describing how to open up KeePass for a SharePoint share. One of the biggest issues you have when opening up KeePass files is it's trying to run it from a HTTP share, so you won't be able to save it, sync it, write log files, etc. This tutorial will show you how to put your KeePass on SharePoint, but also what you need to do in order to map a drive. Okay, this is what we have to do. I've uploaded my KeePass file to SharePoint. Okay, in the bottom left, you need to click on Enter Classic Experience. Okay, once we're inside the Classic Experience, you go to Library, Open with Explorer. Once this is done, you will see my KeePass file in there. All you need to do is hit the white space. So it's highlighted, right click, copy, then go into my computer. Map a network drive, paste that in there, and make sure reconnect to sign in is in there. Hit finish, and you'll see there it's in my Z drive. Z. Open your file, add in your password. Done, and you can see if I make a change. Hit save. It saves it correctly. And you can see if I hit F5, timestamp is updated. Now the only thing you need to know is when you come in the morning, you will find that this would have a red X disconnection. Unfortunately, the HTTP share needs to re-establish Explorer connection again through SharePoint. So in order to do that, you just need to repeat the process and go to SharePoint, hit Open in Explorer, and as soon as Open in Explorer window is up, you'll be able to come back to my computer, see where that red X is, and then just double click it and it'll let you in there again. Okay, that is all. Thank you for watching my random tips. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time. Goodbye.